Have you ever pursued your passion while doing great in the business industry? Because the phenomenal American rapper Jay-Z did. Welcome to another Dividend Bear video. In today's video, we will talk about how Jay-Z is more than just a rapper, but also a record producer and entrepreneur, paving his way to success and becoming the first ever hip-hop billionaire while being a widely known American rapper for his unique talent. He did not only do great in the music industry, but also in the business industry. We will dive deeper into his investments and how he successfully managed everything in spite of having a music career. A little background of our featured artist: Jay-Z is an American rapper, songwriter, and producer who grew up in Brooklyn's drug-infested Marcy projects. He used rap as an escape, appearing for the first time on Yo MTV Raps in 1989. After selling millions of records with his Rockefeller label, Jay-Z started his own clothing line and established an entertainment company. He married popular singer and actress Beyoncé in 2008. He is one of the only men in hip-hop to achieve a billion-dollar net worth and was the first rapper in history to do so. Jay-Z is one of the globe's rare black billionaires. Even in years that he does not release music or go on tour, Jay-Z is good for about $500 million a year, by one estimate. And this is to say nothing of how his marriage to fellow icon Beyoncé has also increased his net worth. In short, when it comes to money moves, S. Carter is second to none. But more than investing in businesses, Jay-Z has also invested in black-owned businesses. Crunchbase reports that Marcy Venture Partners, founded in 2019, is a venture capital firm that has invested in 24 companies and 11 of which are considered diversity investments. The term diversity investments includes women-owned companies, Latino-owned companies, and black-owned companies. Marcy Venture Partners last invested was in September 2021, when they invested in a Series A round for Merit Beauty. In the past, they have invested in companies like Wise, Savage X Fenty, and Mrs. Kind Beauty. The fund has raised more than $97 million across two funds. While Hova has also invested in black-owned businesses through Roc Nation, it has morphed from a record and entertainment label into a full-service sports management, entertainment management, and investment firm. Take note that this is just the beginning of Jay-Z's journey. Let us now take a look at the myriad of ways that Jay-Z has earned his estimated $1.3 billion in net worth. The best part is, you would not have to choose between $500,000 or dinner with Hova to get this knowledge. Kidding aside, before Jay-Z ever invested $1 in a company that was not his, be it through Marcy Venture Partners, Roc Nation, or Arrive, he made worth $750 million. When he married Beyoncé, Jay-Z first began brushing the billionaire status in 2014. At that moment, their combined net worth was $1 billion, though individually, he was worth $600 million. Year after year, Jay-Z earns between $70 million and $80 million without ever going on tour or recording a note of music. His major financial windfall to date was in February 2021, when he sold 50% of Armand de Briganic to LVMH at a $640 million valuation, and sold Tidal to Square for $300 million. Though he has no shortage of investments and other concrete valuables, he also has more than $220 million worth of cash and other liquid investments. In June of 2019, Jay-Z became the first proven and viable billionaire of hip-hop thanks to what Forbes called a sprawling and diverse empire. In addition to his liquid cash, his music catalog alone is worth at least $75 million. His investment in Deuse is worth at least $100 million. And his deal with Live Nation is worth over $200 million. Crazy, right? Now let's go take a look at his investments. Venturing in investments, one look at the Crunchbase profiles of Marcy Venture Partners, Arrive, and Roc Nation will definitely prove that Jay-Z has made investments in nearly 100 different companies, including Savage Fenty, Epic Games, Sweet Green, Oatly, and Fanatics. As Afrotech previously reported, Marcy Venture Partners recently closed its second fund worth $325 million, and Hova has also started to expand his reach into the cannabis market with investments in the cannabis Pix Easy, Josephine, and Billy's, which is both black-owned and women-owned. and Flowhub, whose valuation is upwards of $200 million. Art collection. Do not be surprised, but together with his wife Beyonce, Jay-Z owns an extensive art collection that is said to be worth millions. Word of the Carter's extensive art collection first started beating the wires in 2014, when Artnet started remarking that Beyonce's single 7-Eleven featured artwork that was worth just a hair under 700,000 US dollars. In 2018, ArtSpace did a roundup of Jay-Z and Beyonce's art collection that included the likes of Sadie Barnett, Richard Prince, and of course, John Michael Basquiat. The Carter's Basquiat collection have hit the mainstream news wires in August of 2021, when they posted in their Tiffany & Co. campaign with the rare and heretofore unseen artwork done by Basquiat, according to Art News. Real estate. Though it has been said that Jay-Z and Beyonce own real estate all over the world, these are some of the properties we have been able to affirm that they own for certain. In 2006, the Carters bought an estate in the Indian Creek Island district of southern Florida, just off the coast of Miami. The New York Post reports that they sold the property in 2010 to a Dutch businessman for $9.3 million. In October of 2021, the Carters listed their New Orleans mansion for $4.45 million. According to Dirt.com, the former church was built in the 1920s and boasts more than 13,000 square feet. In 2017, the Carters sold their New York City condo just 11 days after they listed it for a cool $9.95 million US dollars. The same year as that, the Carters bought a Hamptons estate for just under $26 million and a sprawling Paul McLean designed compound in Los Angeles for a gobsmacking $90 million. According to Go Banking Rates, in 2013, the Carters purchased a 360-acre private island in the Bahamas for the bargain basement price of $3 million. The couple's most grand real estate purchase came in 2017 with their Bel Air, CA mansion worth $88 million. To think of his career with a talent like his, it would have been easy for Jay-Z to stick to his music, but increasingly, he appears to be an exceptional example of the success that can occur when one would diversify their portfolio. Considering his wide range of businesses arising from his $20 million worth in JetSmart, acquisition of several high-end sports bars and restaurants, and high-profile projects like Rockefeller Records, he has proven how acquiring stakes across multiple industries will definitely diversify income streams and reduce volatility, since the investor is now more exposed to growth opportunities in different asset classes. With a series of smart investments, there is no doubt that Jay-Z has made a name for himself as both a music icon and a case study of how someone can build a billion-dollar fortune. As it remains to be seen what else this iconic rapper has up his sleeve, his success in accumulating a billion-dollar net worth will surely make people's heads turn. Do you guys think that any rapper will be able to achieve a net worth that surpasses Jay-Z's? Let us know in the comment section down below, and before you leave the video, make sure you click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.